Hi, welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen, and today I'd like to talk to you about family food cooking. Stay tuned and I'll bring you a recipe. Today's recipe is peanut butter cookies. The ingredients are 50 grams of peanut butter, 75 grams of margarine, 50 grams of sugar, 50 grams of brown sugar, 100 grams of plain flour and a pinch of salt. We start by mixing the peanut butter and the margarine together in a bowl. Give this a good mix. Then we add the sugar. So I've got granulated sugar and demerara sugar. The demerara sugar adds the real crunch to the biscuits. Give this a good mix again and then add the flour. Add a pinch of salt. It makes a little bit of a difference. I made them once without the salt and they just didn't taste the same. Once all the ingredients have been combined, take your baking tray and roll the mixture into balls. This makes approximately 16. I like to make them slightly smaller than a walnut. This recipe is great for using your store cupboard items. It contains no egg, so if you've got no eggs you can still make your cookies. And this is another one that's really good to get the children involved in, because once it's made the children will have great fun rolling the balls. Once you've rolled the balls, they roll on the tray. Cross with a fork. This flattens it and makes the cookies rise wider, otherwise you'd get a high top. Once the cookies are made, place in the oven at 200 degrees for about 15 minutes until they're light brown. Enjoy.